How's it going, guys? Normally I wouldn't do a video this time of day, but I want to get this out to you because I think it's quite urgent and I want to show this to you guys. I do think Bitcoin could be in for a drop. I know there's a few people on the channel or in the comments that have mentioned they're just like, man, why are you so bearish on the market lately? Honestly, guys, I had a feeling we were going to drop here, so I just came out and reported the metrics honestly, and then we ended up dropping here. The market looks like there's a higher chance based off historical data that this market will drop back down than keep going up. Okay, I'm just going to present the data fully. I've actually been down thousands of dollars on this channel on my my Coinbase account. I've been down thousands of dollars, and I'm like, hey guys, I think we're going to drop even further. I promise you guys, I will never come out with a video and try to pump anything I'm in. I'm just going to report the metrics clearly. So let me get cut to the chase here. Let's get really deep into this, and I'm going to try to make this a quick video. We'll go over the metrics, and this is what's going to basically be telling me, I think we are due for another drop. Okay, I'm just going to say it. All right, watch this. If you guys take a look at the current price action of Bitcoin here, we see that we're kind of doing a little bit of a consolidation up here, a little bit going sideways. Take a look at this though. The money is flowing out of the market. Those of you guys who have the well money flow are seeing this very clearly right now, and you guys have been watching this over the hours. What we're seeing is the green line, well money flow, is moving down, creating lower highs and lower lows, while price action is creating a higher high, a low, a high, higher low, higher high. This is not a strong sign that Bitcoin will head up. Let me show you another sign in here. We see divergence on the trend exhaustion. This tells me that the trend is trying to push down. It's exhausted from going up, and historically when we've seen this, we do see moves back down in the market. This is two positive the negative divergence, but these are 2 points on the chart today that I can see that this is a very strong sign we're going to move back down. All right, let me go over the metrics and let me try to prove this a little bit more. BTC metrics, they already updated this morning, so I'm going to show you guys basically the live ones for the day. It's kind of fun to be able to show you this after they update. All right, the emotional index, we are pushing still up into this top greedy section. Now, watch this. The last time we got up here, we saw a drop. Let me start here, I guess. The last time we peaked barely into the excited, we saw a drop. That's 1 drop, 2 drops, 3 drops, 4 drops, 5 drops, 6 drops, 7 drops. The last 7 times this metric right here has called the drops. Like, it's been 100% correct the last 7 times. So I know you guys want me to come out here and say Bitcoin's going to go to the moon and all that stuff. I know some of you want to say that. I'm not going to say that because I don't believe that's true right now. Based off the metrics, and this is honestly the smartest way to trade is based off historical data, this does not look like a place where I think Bitcoin's going to keep shooting up to $50,000 here by the end of the week. I don't see that being the case. Honestly, guys, I do think this is, I'm not being biased. Look at the chart. What has happened in the past when we've been up here? We see moves down. That's why I'm expecting that. Okay, let's watch this. Long trades are moving out of the market while the price is moving up. That is not a positive sign that people are buying this. They are actually taking long trades out of the market, and we can clearly see this by long trades moving out. All right? Keep following me here. The long versus short trades. I never thought we were going to actually see this. This is like ridiculous. This metric that's coded in here, if you ever get above great short trade, it means the market is extremely overextended, and I am absolutely expecting to see some type of pullback in the market. Yes, it could. Now mark these words. I hope you guys listened all the way to this part in the video. Yes, we could keep heading up, but I do not think it's going to last long. And again, this is not emotional or anything like that. I'm looking at strict data. The last 7 times it is proven to us that we have moved down. Could this be an anomaly and keep moving up? Yes, but I would say we're about an 85 to 90% chance that we are going to see a little bit of a move back down on Bitcoin here in the next few days, possibly by the end of the week, based off strict metrics. Also, look at this. We have not seen short sentiment in the market this strong for a very long time. Last time we saw this was when we hit the all-time high, and this pushed up very high, and then we saw one of the biggest drops of the entire year happen right after that, okay? We saw this happen over here as well, where smart money was accumulating their short trade positions, and they made all of their money back on the drop. They accumulated all their short money positions here, and they made their money back on the drop. Okay, let me show this to you again right here. We accumulated a lot of short trades and then it dropped out of the market. I'm not trying to be a Debbie Downer when it comes to crypto, guys. I'm just being really honest with what I'm seeing on the metrics, and this is how I've been able to make my money. You guys saw me take 40 or something dollars out of the market already the last few days. I bought, I sold, I bought back into the dip. So you guys can see this. I'll finish the metrics, but I just want to show you guys, like, I'm literally doing everything I'm telling you, and it's working. I made $546 the other day. I only traded with about $5,000 of the account. So made about 10% on that. That was awesome. And then also going over here to the orders, I ended up buying the dip again, and now we're up possibly like $50. Yeah, $55. So let's go back over here and finish this. Dollar cost average. If you guys bought into any of these dollar cost average entries, you are all obviously in the profit here. Doesn't matter if you bought this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, or this one. Since I started the YouTube channel, if you bought any of these metrics in here for the green signals, you are all in the profit. Congratulations. I do believe this is the best metric to call the pumps before they happen. Now, we need to talk about this for the exit points. When you see a block of red right here, we need to go back in history and see what has happened when this metric shows this. It is overextending itself. I'm not just going to say that, I'm going to show it to you. Last time this happened, we saw an overextension in the market and we dropped very fast and started moving back down. We saw an overextension in the market and we dropped very fast when we moved back down. Yes, there's times when we're going to get one red bar in here and we're going to drop. We're going to call this drop. We called this drop. We called this drop. We called that drop. We called that drop. We called that drop. This is an overextension. I purposely coded this metric to give us multiple red bars to be like, hello, this is overextended. Make sure you guys are watching for a possible drop in the market, okay? That's why that's on there. So I know this is a quick video, but make sure you guys are following these metrics over here. You guys get these metrics. You guys know this already. $49 a month if you're new to this. You pay this, you get these metrics for all these top currencies in here. I want you guys to watch this because I do think it is possible to see Bitcoin see a little bit of a move down here in the next few days. I'm going to keep this on here because this is the circle of I don't know, selling power, I guess, whatever we want to call it. Right around this area, I could see a little bit of move up, but I do think we are due for a move back down. We have divergence to the negative side. We have historical data pointing the last 7 times this is going to short. If you guys are looking at these metrics and you were literally recording videos or literally if you guys, this is actually serious. If you are a hedge fund watching this video right now and you're reporting data to your managers or your clients, it would be foolish to tell them that Bitcoin's going to keep heading up because you have to look at past historical data. It is telling us that we have about I would say a 90 to 95% chance that we are going to look to move back down. Now, there's always a chance. There is always a chance we could keep heading up. But if you guys want to stay consistent with your trading, historical data shows that this is a place where I am expecting to see a drop back down in Bitcoin, and possibly if Bitcoin drops, maybe the rest of the market will drop as well. So I wanted to give you guys this update. I'm not trying to be a downer. I'm just giving you guys the straight facts of what the metrics are showing. Hope you guys have a good one. These indicators, the trend exhaustion, the price versus while money flow, and the trend dashboard are going up in price in 4 days. If you want to snag those, you guys can go over to tradeconfident.io, click the indicators tab, and you guys get all of it right here. And you guys can click any of the links over to the Gumroad website. God bless you guys so much. I will keep you updated. I just want to give you guys a heads up on this. That's all I want to do in this video. All right, have a good one. I'll see you there. Bye-bye.